Hello and welcome to Craft Time at the Clarksville-Montgomery County Public Library. I'm Gracie.
I'm Lisa.
And today, Lisa, we are going to be making masks, right?
Yay!
Yay!
Not face masks.
No,
Eye masks.
Eye mask. So, what we have is Lisa already has one that we have pre-cut. So I'm going to show you. She's going to get to decorate it while I am doing one free-handed, so that if you don't have a way to print it off, that you can see that yes, you can do this at home. It doesn't have to look like that one. Your eye mask can look however you want it to look. So let me get you some. Would you like some markers?
That would be great.
Forgot about those to put on the table. Okay, so I will let you do your thing, and I'm going to go ahead and start tracing out a mask for myself.
Okay, I'm going to pick some bright and sunny colors. Those are